Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch models in Claude AI. So over here, simply come on the Claude AI and then sign in into your account in order to get access to this type of dashboard. Now over here, when you are on the chat box page, you just have to look for the option of the current model that you are using. So the current model name will be shown something like this. So the latest model that it is using is Sonnet 5. So you can click on this drop down menu, and here you are going to see all of the models that you can basically choose from. So we have Fable 5, we have Opus 5, Sonnet 5, we have Haiku 5, 4.5. Then we have the effort option available, so you can select it as low, medium, high, extra and max for each and every model separately. In the more models, you are going to see all of the previous models as well. But as you can see, in order to use these, you need to upgrade your Claude AI subscription. So for free, you can switch between the Sonnet 5 and the Haiku 4.5, and you can also change the efforts as well. Make sure that the thinking option is also enabled for the complex tasks to be simplified. So that's how you can basically switch the models. So whichever model you want to select, simply click on that and it is going to be selected just like so. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.